Greetings. In today's discussion, we dive into the hormone peptide revolution, your blueprint for reclaiming energy, vitality, and turning back time. The question that changes everything. What if I told you that the inevitable decline you've been experiencing, the fatigue, the brain fog, the stubborn weight, the aching joints, the vanishing vitality, isn't actually inevitable at all? What if the real problem isn't that you're getting older, but that nobody ever taught you how to age properly? In other words, no one taught you how to age gracefully and as slowly as possible. Most people wake up one day in their 50s or 60s and wonder why their health, performance, and appearance have declined so radically. You see, most people simply don't know how to properly build health, which is the key to slowing and even halting the negative decline that most experience. Declining health is not simply a function of the years you've been on the planet. It is about how you live your life. That's right, your daily habits, mental outlook, nutrition, exercise, and environment all play vital roles in your health and how well you age. If we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Dr. Max McLeod, also known as the Nutrition Ninja Doc, founder of MyBodySymphony.com and the STEM Region/Age Reversal Technology Center, ARTC.Health. He is a problem solver with a focus on helping people overcome their health challenges and achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals. He is using this avatar to save time making videos that can be better spent helping people. My role as his avatar is to convey his knowledge and insights about health, healing, and regeneration. Please note that I'm an avatar of a doctor, and none of the information I convey should be considered medical advice. It is intended for educational and entertainment purposes only. Consult your trusted healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your health regimen. Doc Max also provides individual supervision, in person or virtual. Contact us at 9418-065-511 to learn more. Now let's get back to today's topic. Before that, I ask that you leave a like on this video if you find it helpful. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button because it goes a long way to help get these health-related presentations out to more people. I've spent over 45 years obsessing over one question. Why do some people stay vibrant, sharp, and strong into their 70s, 80s, and beyond, while others fall apart in their 50s? The answer isn't luck, it isn't genetics, and it definitely isn't some expensive cream or miracle pill from late-night television. The answer lies in two powerful systems that most doctors never even discuss with their patients: hormones and peptides. Today, I'm going to pull back the curtain on what's really happening inside your body as you age and show you exactly how we can intervene to slow it down, stop it, and in many cases, reverse it. Buckle up. This might change your life. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine you're 25 years old. You wake up feeling rested, your mind is clear, you've got energy to spare. You can eat a burger and fries without your waistline punishing you for a month. Your mood is stable. Your libido is, well, let's just say it's present. Now fast forward 20 or 30 years. You wake up tired. You need 2 cups of coffee just to feel human. Your brain feels like it's wrapped in cotton. You look at a donut and gain 3 pounds. Your mood swings like a screen door in a hurricane. And your libido, it left town without a forwarding address. I'll tell you exactly what happened. You got robbed. Starting in your late 20s and early 30s, your body begins quietly reducing its production of the hormones that keep you feeling young, strong, and alive. It's not dramatic at first, maybe 1% to 2% per year. You barely notice. But compound that over 2 or 3 decades and suddenly you're operating at 40%, 50%, or even 30% of the hormonal capacity you had in your prime. It's like trying to run a Ferrari on a quarter tank of low-grade fuel. No wonder you feel terrible. Over the next several videos in this series on age reversal, I'll go over the key hormones and peptides that can help you reverse your biological age in detail. As always, please feel free to reach out to learn more. Call 941-806-5511. Finally, this has been presented for educational and entertainment purposes and is not intended as medical advice.